I took out the main mirror. It was a little bit dirty, and I cleaned it, and I put it back. And right now my telescope, it's out of alignment, and he needs collimation. Definitely it's out of collimation. So I want to show you how I collimate my telescope in two basic steps. And for that we need a Phillips screwdriver and a laser who offers very good collimation and easy to do it. So we take the laser, we put him in the focuser with this target down, like that, with this target down. We check it's good, nice and stable. We turn off the laser, and if we look inside the tube, let's zoom it a little bit, we see a circle who shows the center of the main mirror and the red dot right next to her. So we will adjust first the secondary mirror, and we will follow the red dot to see if he goes closer to the circle or if he goes far away. So first step, if we look on the main mirror, the center of the main mirror, who's that circle and the red dot, is out of alignment. So for adjusting, we will loosen these 3 screws from the secondary mirror, and we will follow the progress of the red dot if it goes closer or far away from that circle, from the center of the main mirror. So let's try to do it. As you can see, it goes closer. It's not a big deal. With a little bit of practice, anyone can do it. Almost done. The secondary, and after that we have one more step. Yep, looks like to be right in the center. See, the laser and that donut from the center of the main mirror are aligned now. Now the second step. So now we have in the back of the telescope, we have 6 screws, 3 thinner who are locking screws, and 3 bulkier one who are adjusting screws. So first we unlock, we loosen the thinner one a little bit, not too much, and we have to adjust the bulkier one. So in the meanwhile we adjust the bulkier screws. We have to follow the red dot. We have to push them in the center of the target, step by step. Let's try adjusting. We follow the red dot, who goes closer and closer to the center of that target. Very easy to do. Yep. And now we lock the screws back, not too much. And of course, we watch the red dot. If he wants to go out, we adjust them one more time, a little bit. And that's pretty much it. And now I want to go one more time in front of the telescope to check the laser inside the tube. If it's the same, collimated, yes, the same, perfect collimation. Now the telescope is well aligned and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and I wish you a fantastic day.